Hello everyone. Me and Susie are here. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
We're gonna go and film for you. Copenhagen. How is Copenhagen looks like in New Year? You can see already here. There is so many. This firework already. What's going on? What time is it, Susie?
It's around 10, 9? 9, I guess.
9 o'clock. So we already have like 3 hours more. We are heading to the city center, where it's called Rådhuspladsen.
Rådhuspladsen, yeah.
And then in there, you're gonna see
me.
see us, and
all
see
the
firework. What is going on here? Woo!
No, this is
This is a line.
I thought this and this is like same.
We are in the public bus heading into Northport station, going to 25 hours hotel. Wish me luck.
25, we are going to 25 hours hotel.
Yeah, that's true actually. That makes sense. Actually, you have to always use public transportation for environment friendly,
Yeah.
sustainable, and it's always on time in Copenhagen. So everyone, we are in 25 hours hotel in Copenhagen. We want to order some drinks here. Sujata is looking for a drink. I know what I want,
What do you want?
but I want to try this new Negroni. I'm a big fan of Negroni. I've always been a big fan of Negroni, and I will stay always a big fan of Negroni. So let's see what she wanna order. What is it? Can you read it?
Next 365 days, it says.
Oh wow. Okay, let's go. Hello. Can I order a new Negroni for me, and then for the lady, she wants some suggestion?
One Negroni, what?
New Negroni.
2 Negronis?
No, one new Negroni,
1 Negroni and
and
what
then
else?
she wants some suggestions. What do you want?
Yeah, like I want something lemony, fruity.
So for tonight we only do everything that's in the menu.
Okay, anything like that. Maybe you can suggest something for me?
Any suggestion?
Yeah.
Anything fruity? Anything?
Maybe Sicilian spritz, it's like Aperol spritz.
So she gonna think about what kind of drink she wants, and let's see.
I think I'm gonna go for Americano, grapefruit. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. So we order our drinks. It's a bar behind us, and let's see how it's going to be. So guys, here are our drinks. Looks good, to be honest. Negroni is always good. What was yours, baby?
It was American something. I forgot. Let me see. Americano grapefruit.
Americano grapefruit. Let's taste it.
I like
Very good.
exactly what I want.
Can I taste yours?
Yeah.
Do you want to taste mine?
I think yours is a strong.
A strong one is for men.
Yeah, look at this. The amount is very less.
Yeah, of course.
Ah, this is too strong for me.
Cheers, guys. Happy New Year, and I hope you enjoy your
New Year as
New
well,
Year as
like we do.
like we do here in Copenhagen.
And 25 hour hotel.
They don't pay us for promoting, but we just say it.
Yeah.
Cheers. 10:30. We are close to
New Year?
New Year, so let's see how it's gonna be.
Not 10:30, I think.
Not
Is it
10:30. Should we follow
almost.
these people?
Yeah,
Let's follow
I
them.
think they're also going to see the firework.
Yeah, yeah. I think so as well.
It's very
It's
cold now.
1.5 hours. It's very cold. It's raining, but
Yeah.
welcome to Denmark. It is what it is. There's like a bunch of people that are going. We are going with them.
We're
I
just
don't know.
following them.
We're just following them. I don't know where we are
Because
going. Oh my god.
environment is warm here, but weather is cold.
Weather is cold, environment is warm,
Yeah.
everyone is happy. Wow. Oh my god! That's crazy. We have to be careful. Oh, we have another blogger here.
I'm not a vlogger though.
Come,
Thank
come.
you.
Talk to us.
Hi.
Hi, where are you from?
I'm from India.
Are you from India? What are you doing
in the
here?
eastern part of India.
The eastern part of India.
I'm doing research in Germany.
Oh, really?
Wow, where are you guys from?
Guess.
Oh wait, I can't see your
Yes.
face.
Guess the country. See her.
Oh
Look
wait.
at us.
What's your name?
Shraddha.
Shada. Nice to meet you. My name is Milad.
Milad.
Milad and her name is Sujata.
Oh wait.
What?
Don't
That's something.
That's Indian.
Yeah.
Indian?
No.
Sujata is like almost.
No, I'm not Indian.
Oh, it's so cool that you're not Indian, but your name is almost Indian.
Guess my country.
Oh wait. Is it Bangladesh?
No, it's close. It's close to the border of India. Everest Mountain. Come on.
Bhutan.
No, I'm Nepal.
That was like, oh wait, Bhutan, Nepal is gonna go.
But yes.
it is so, it's like Indian name, Sujata is
Yeah, everyone.
You have a camera. What is this for? The usage of camera.
just for memories. I'm trying to get into blogging. How's that? Let me know.
Yeah, we also start vlogging, so
Yeah,
we are
that's
not so
cool.
professional.
Wait, where are you from then?
Guess.
Oh,
It's guessing night.
it sounds so. Wait, yeah, I feel like Middle Eastern something.
Yeah, we are. I'm from Middle East, of course.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Guess the
No.
country.
Dubai.
Dubai. I'm not from Dubai. Come on.
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. La habibi, I'm not from Saudi Arabia.
Wait, where does
Oh my god.
Dubai. You're a Nick.
Arabia.
You are the future vlogger. Of course, you have to be on camera.
No.
What? Are you student here or what?
No, I'm researching. I'm supposed to know.
Are you PhD student?
Yeah, no.
Look at her, smart girl here. She's starting to be a vlogger, PhD student,
No, I
but she
completed
doesn't know where
my
I'm
PhD,
from.
By the way,
You're not
okay.
PhD.
I completed my PhD.
Oh, you completed your PhD, and she doesn't. Look, if
Wait,
I was
how's
that
the-
smart, I would guess where I'm from.
Oh wait, that's not that easy. I don't want to seem super racist.
What was your name? What was your name again?
Shraddha.
Shada.
Yeah.
To be honest,
Doesn't seem like super Indian.
I'm not from your, like, I'm close to your country. I know Indian culture.
Okay.
Come on,
Come on.
shut up. Guess.
Now, Afghanistan.
Pakistan.
No. I mean,
Close to Pakistan. What is close to
why are you
Pakistan?
making me do it? No, Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Close to Afghanistan. Border to Afghanistan.
Wow. Thank you for making
Thank you for
so dumb.
What is
I'm
your?
so drunk.
No. I'm from Iran.
Oh wait, I love Iran.
Yeah, you love Iran.
Shit.
That's great. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. What's your YouTube channel?
Oh no, I don't have a
You don't have a YouTube channel,
yet.
but she gonna have a
Yet.
YouTube channel.
Yeah. I
What
don't
is
have
your
a-
YouTube channel gonna name?
Oh,
Promote
shut
it.
up.
We have
Shut
we have a 500,000 subscribers.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be in 2025, not yet.
So cool. Yeah. But what do you guys like vlog about? Your
Vlog
child?
us each other.
Each other, just we are a couple, you know. We just make a vlog.
Content about each
Content
other.
about each other, about different culture and stuff. Here we are, our Indian friends.
New YouTuber.
New YouTuber here.
In the town, in the Copenhagen.
So guys, we are getting closer to, look at my hot hair, to the fireworks. It's so much wind here, it's crazy. Oh my god! It's cold. It's Look at, there's some guys they're trying to What happened? Shoot it there.
He already did.
What happened? What happened?
It didn't want to go off.
Why?
I don't know, and I was afraid of it exploding.
Bro, come on, try it one more time.
No, it's gonna explode. I tried this once before. It didn't go off, and it exploded in my hand.
Yeah, okay. Let's try it one more time. What's up? Oh no, you try.
Okay, okay.
Oh, this is from China! It doesn't work! Bro, where did you buy them? Huh? Where did you buy them?
In 3 hands.
Oh, yeah! Finally, yes!
It's 16 shots.
Hello 2025, we are back from our vlog. It was fun, we had so much fireworks and everything, and then we talked with some people. It was cold, it was rainy, it was
it was super cold.
smelly, everything.
Yeah, and this firework, I get like kind of headache of this smell of the firework. And yeah, it was a bit dangerous as well. I was a bit scared, but Milad Kakili was not.
But we are safe.
Yeah,
so we
we are
came home safe. 2025, we are ready. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and then see you with next video.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye.